Chrome 117 brings a fresh wave of design, developer tools, and privacy improvements that make browsing more modern and powerful. On the visual side, Google is rolling out Material You for desktop. That means Chrome's top bar, tabs, and icons will dynamically match your wallpaper colors, giving your browser a more personalized, cohesive look. The classic HTTPS lock icon in the address bar is also being replaced with a new settings style icon, which better reflects its function in managing site permissions and security. Under the hood, Chrome 117 introduces 3 powerful new CSS features that make it easy to create smooth entry and exit animations. This enables more natural and fluid transitions for dialogues, popovers, and other overlay elements. Developers also get array grouping, a feature that makes it simpler to compute higher-order datasets. This helps when working with complex data or when aggregating values in new ways. DevTools in Chrome 117 is more capable than ever. The local overrides workflow has been streamlined. You can now mock or override web content from the network panel more quickly, without needing to predict or store everything ahead of time. There's also better debugging for third-party cookie issues, enhanced source settings, like code folding and automatic file reveal, and even a new protocol monitor, in experimental mode, for inspecting DevTools' own internal commands. On the privacy front, Chrome 117 expands the privacy sandbox more broadly, giving users and advertisers a more transparent and privacy-respecting way to interact. Plus, more control over cookies and ad topic settings. For syncing power users, there's improved control over tab group syncing. You can now turn sync on or off specifically for saved tab groups, giving you more flexibility without affecting everything else. There are also quality of life tweaks. The All Bookmarks reminder on the bookmarks bar has been removed, so it doesn't clutter your toolbar anymore, and the Chrome Web Store gets a refreshed layout, with rounder buttons and a modern, cleaner design. All in all, Chrome 117 isn't just about polish, it's a thoughtful mix of design, privacy, and developer upgrades that make the browser feel ready for today's web. If you're a dev, designer, or just someone who loves a good UI, this update has something for you. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech update videos.